Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change nickname on a specific server on Discord. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over to a server. As you guys can see, first the server has to have that option enabled. So basically you need to have permissions in order to change your nickname. But if it's just a Discord server with you and your friends, you will be able to do that. You right click on your name, click edit per server profile, and here, as you guys can see, we can set a per server nickname. We're gonna put it as HardReset.Info like this, and we're gonna save those changes. As you guys can see, here we have HardReset.Info, but once we leave, we can still see HardReset. We don't even have to leave, we will just see it here, two different names, and that's how you guys can change the nickname on a specific server. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.